Congratulations to De La Salle Lady Spikers for winning over the Ateneo Blue Eagles in straight sets. The Lady Spikers are now at 11-2 tied with NU and UST in first place. We have Coach Noel Orculio, M. Provido, Ea Gagate, and Shevan Black. Coach Noel, congratulations for this victory. It's a straight set and it's a good carryover towards your game against UST on Saturday. Your thoughts about your
actually, sobrang ngayon nga, ang ganda ng nilaro nila. Sobrang pulido, although may mga konting lapses towards the third set eh. Pero yung first two sets nakita namin, yun yung hinahanap namin yung game sa kanila eh. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy this coming Saturday para sa game against UST.
Thank you. Lutea, you had 10 attacks and 6 blocks for 16 points. So, mukhang naglaro kayo ng sense of urgency today against Ateneo. So, gaano kahalaga itong panalo para sa team? Siyempre, naghahabol kayo sa top 2. Ano masasabi?
Siyempre, pinagtsagaan talaga namin to and mas nag-focus kami sa bawat laro kasi hindi naman basta-basta makukuha yung spot. So, kailangan talagang tsagain one game at a time. So, ngayon na tapos yung Ateneo, mag-focus pa kami sa upcoming game namin, which is for UST.
Thank you. Kushevsky had 12 attacks, 3 blocks, and 3 digs. So, what can you say about your team's performance today against Ateneo?
I'm just glad that I can contribute to the team. But I'm also, proud of my teammates because from the stats here, we can see that everyone did something. So I'm just glad that we're working together as a team and going into this last game as well as into finals. I'm really glad to see how we're performing, and I'm very excited to show everybody, with the Lady Spikers, this is how we
Yes. And you had 7 of 10 attacks and you collected 7 digs. So, gaano ka-importante itong panalo sa moral nyo, especially halos nasa finish line na tayo ng season? What can you say?
Actually, hindi po ako masyadong na-satisfied sa performance ko ba. Kasi alam ko naman mas ibubuga pa ako. Pero sobrang proud ako sa pinakita ng team namin ngayon. Kasi yun nga, nasunod kami sa sistema. And yun, patapos, malapit na po yung semis. And gusto namin tapusin ng maayos yung mga remaining games.
That's it. And okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, yun nga, parang maganda talaga yung pinakita ng team today. Siguro after some shaky performances nung previous games nyo, ano lang yung siguro naging reminders mo sa team na para talagang mapakita nyo yung full potential ng team?
Ano lang, yung lagi namin sinasabi sa kanila, huwag lang aalis sa sistema. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang kung ano yung inaaral namin kada training, yung pinapractice, yung dapat mai-apply sa game namin. Basta para maging solid yung galaw, basta andon lang sila, sunod sa sistema na kung ano yung binibigyan ng instruction, ito yung gawin para hindi mawala.
For Thea and Chev, this is also another game na kayo talaga yung nag-dominate on the both on offense and defense for the team. Siguro, ano lang yung what came into your mind siguro with Angel out nga na parang you have to step up for the team?
Well, for me, gagawin ko lang yung best ko, like as a middle and as an ate inside the court. And yun nga, since nawalan kami ng dalawang players, yun, pinagtsagaan lang namin and we just thought of them na kailangan maganda yung laro para din sa akin.
With Angel, she's my batchmate. So with her out, I feel like I need to step up for her and do justice for her. So personally, I'm playing for the both of us right now.
Wala pa sa
For Thea, I think, what do you think is the missing link with this Spikers team ngayon? Ano na lang yung kailangan pangkunan na pagkukulang kung mas maging konkreto at pulido na yung form nyo entering Final Four?
Siguro yung buong confidence talaga sa loob ng court. Kasi may mga times na nawawalan ng kumpiyansa lalo na pag So, yun nga, as an ate in center court, like, kailangan ko lang din i-remind yung mga teammates ko na kaya nila. And yun nga, pag naging buo kami individually, paano pa kaya pag isang team?
And for Shivan, second year just out, what can you say about your growth in your journey from your rookie being the scoring boost for the team and now you're a scoring machine in your own right for the Lady Spikers?
You know, I'm just glad that, you know, there's progress. I always think to myself that I'm a work in progress. So this isn't my best, and I know I can do so much more, but I'm glad that, like right now, I'm contributing to the team.
Coach, nung first round, 5-center kay JST. Ngayon, uncertain pa yung status ni Dylan. Dapat na ito with the possibility.
Kami naman, sabi nga namin the last time, may mawala, kailangan may mag-step up. Hopefully, kung ano man yung mangyari this coming Saturday, kailangan lang gustuin nila na manalo, and yung mga papracticein namin sa training, yung planning sa laro ng UST, sana magawa.
Alright, congratulations, Coach Noel and